let's talk about period, group, and valence electron. So in your module, period or series is defined as a single horizontal row in the periodic table. So here in the illustration in your module, when we say period, it means horizontal line. So the word horizontal is the key. Okay? So when we say horizontal, sa Tagalog, pahalang. Okay? So, pag ganito daw siya. Pag sinabi natin period, pag ganito. Okay? Kaya meron siyang arrow. Okay? Pag ganon. Tignan natin yung mismong periodic table of elements. So, in the periodic table of elements, your period is yan. So, mula dito, period 1, okay, ito daw siya. Ito, at saka ito. So, dalawang element lang ang period 1. Starting from hydrogen to helium. And then, period 2, okay, pag period 2 naman, starts from lithium, beryllium, to boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. So, lahat yan ay period 2. Okay? Period 3 starts from sodium to argon. Okay? Period 3 silang lahat. Kasama yan, ha? And then, period 4 from potassium to krypton. Period 5 from rubidium to xenon. And period 6 is from cesium to radon. Period 7 is from francium to, kung luma yung periodic table nyo, UUO. Yun nasa pinakadulo. Okay, now, so how many periods do we have in the periodic table? We have 7 periods. Okay? So again, when you say period, pahalang, yan, horizontal line, that is period. Okay, so let's have an example. Now, what period is element silicon? So, ito si silicon. Anong period daw ni silicon? Silicon is under period 3. Tama? Okay, so, silicon, period 3. How about element oxygen? Okay, so ito si oxygen. Anong period yan? Si oxygen ay period 2. Okay, so madali lang. How about group or family number? So, group or family number is a vertical column of elements that have similar physical and chemical properties. Okay? So, a group or the group are identified by numbers across the top of the periodic table. There are 18 groups divided into family A and family B. Okay, now let's take a look at the actual periodic table of element. Okay, paano ba yung group dito or family? Okay? So, in your periodic table, sabi dito sa inyong module, group is divided into family A and family B. So, yun muna yung i-identify natin. Family A, kung titignan nyo yung dito niya, okay, may mga nakalagay dyan na A, diba? Okay, so yun yung family A. Okay, ito. Yung dalawang yan. Family A yan. And, ito din. Kung may mga A sa taas, ayan, may mga A. Yan, family A yung mga yan. So, family A, technically, is ito, mula dito kay hydrogen, pababa, beryllium, pababa, hanggang kay radon. Then, boron, yan, mula ito, lahat ng yan ay family A. Okay? And yung nasa gitna is the family B. Okay, close up natin. Ayan, kaya may mga B sa taas. Ibig sabihin sila ay family B. Now, when we say group or family number, okay, sa ibang periodic table, 18 groups daw. Okay, or 8 groups. Okay, iba-iba kasi nang ginagamit sa periodic table. So, in this certain periodic table, ang ginamit ay 1A, ayan, 1A. Family 1A is starting from hydrogen down to francium. Okay? So, this group or family is called as lithium family. Okay. Next one is the 2A or the beryllium family. Beryllium family. Ayan. So, pababa, sabi natin ay vertical column. So, pag sinabing vertical, pababa. Okay? And then, boron family, pababa. Okay? Carbon family, pababa. Nitrogen family. Chalcogens family. So, ito. Chalcogen, starting from oxygen. And halogens family. Okay? So, yan. And the noble gases. Okay? So, in other periodic table, iba yung pangalan yan. Ito ay alkali metals. And ito naman ay alkaline earth metals. So, depende sa periodic table na hawak ninyo. Pero, huwag kayo malito, pareho lang naman yun. Yan. So, yun naman yung family. Okay, let's have an example. Anong family belong si calcium? Okay? So, si calcium ay family or beryllium family. Anong group number niya? 2A. Okay? So, 2A ang kanyang group number. By the way, yung mga group number, tignan lang natin dito sa taas. Kagaya nito, ito 1A, silang lahat 1A. Ito naman, 2A. Then, 3A, lahat yan. 4A, lahat. 5A, lahat yan, 5A. 6A, 7A, and 8A. Yung iba, yung number dito sa taas ay 13, no? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kaya sinabi dito sa inyong module na 18 groups, no? So, depende kasi yun sa pagkaka-number ng periodic table. And ito namang nasa gitna ay yung tinatawag natin na family B, or also known as the transition metals. So, we have the early transition metals. Kung mapapansin nyo, magkaiba yung kulay nilang dalawa. So, this one is the early transition metals and this one is the late transition metals. Okay? And ito naman, karugtong niya yan. Kaya 56 yan, 57. Okay, kasama yan hanggang dyan. And ito, 88, 89, kasama yan. So, that means, these two lines here, or these two periods here, belong to family lithium and beryllium family. Valence electron is the electron found in the highest energy level. Again, it is the electron found in the highest energy level. 8 is the maximum number of valence electron. So, bakit kaya 8? Sabi dito, 8 is the maximum number of valence electron. So, ibig sabihin nun, hanggang 8 lang ang pwede sa highest energy level. Okay? So, hanggang 8 lang daw ang maximum. Why 8? Because we follow the octet rule from the word octa. Kaya siya tinawag na octet rule, which states that atom tends to gain. Okay? When we say gain, madadagdagan. Or, kung sobra siya, they will lose. Okay? Or, o di naman kaya, they will share electron in order to acquire a full 8 valence electron. Okay? So, bakit 8 yung perfect number for valence electron? It is because kapag 8 ang valence electron ng isang element or ng isang atom, nagiging nagiging stable siya, no? Pag sinabi nating stable, hindi siya radioactive or hindi siya normal or normal type of atom siya or element siya. Okay? So, octet rule, pag sinunod natin yung octet rule, neutral yung isang element or equal yung kanyang number of subatomic particles inside that certain atom or element. Again, when we say octet rule, 8 daw ang valence electron ng isang element or ng isang atom. Paano pag sobra? Okay, sabi dito it tends to lose kapag sobra. Paano pag kulang? It tends to gain. Okay, pag sinabing gain, hihingi siya sa ibang atom para ma-acquire niya yung 8 valence electron. Pag sobra naman siya, ibibigay niya yung sobra niyang electron para mag-gain niya pa rin yung 8 valence electron. So, yun po yung sinusunod natin na rule. Kaya tinawag siyang octet rule. Again, the maximum number of valence electron is 8. Okay. So, how to get the value of valence electron? Okay? Paano nga ba kukuha ng value ng valence electron? Okay, so first is, ito muna ituturo ko sa inyo. Okay? First is, add the value of the last S and P sub-level. Okay? So, sabi dito, add the value of the last S and P sub-level. S and P must be consecutive. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin consecutive, dapat magkasunod yung S and P na sub-level. Okay? So, isang example, magbigay tayo ng isang example. So, nitrogen, okay, this one is the symbol for nitrogen, N, and the atomic number is 7. Okay, so gagawin natin yung electron configuration ni nitrogen para makuha natin yung kanyang valence electron. So, nitrogen, again, mag-i-start tayo sa 1s. Okay? So, 1s2, 2s2. Okay, ano sunod ng 2s? 2p. Okay? Then, 2p. Yan na lang ang kulang yan. So, 2, 4. Yan na lang ang kulang para maging 7. So, 3 na lang, diba? So, 2p3. Now, sabi dito, to get the valence electron of a certain element, okay, get the last S and P sublevel. So, tignan mo yung value ng S and P. Or tignan mo yung last value or last sublevel ng electron configuration natin. Yung dulo ba ay 2 consecutive SNP? SNP ba? And consecutive ba sila? Okay, so meron, di ba? So we have S and P. Yun yung pinakadulo niya. So sabi doon, add the value of S and P sublevel. So ang value ng S natin ay 2 at ang value ng P natin ay 3. So the valence electron of element nitrogen is 5. So, bakit nga ba last S and P ang tinitignan natin na sub-level? Okay? It is because S, kung babalikan natin yung value ng S is equivalent to 2 electron and P equivalent to 6 electron. So, pag inad mo kasi yung dalawang yan, 2 plus 6, you have 8 valence electron. And remember, sabi natin kanina, sa octet rule, you must have maximum number of 8 valence electron. So, ang tinitignan natin ay yung consecutive S and P valence electron para makuha natin yung kanyang number of valence electron. Kaya hindi lalagpas sa 8 yung mga valence electron. So, it's either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now, what if walang S and P dun sa dulo? Okay, walang ganito sa dulo. Magkabaliktad P and S or other sub-level. Okay, so another step for you to consider is look for the value of valence electron found in the highest energy level. So, papaano yun? Okay, halimbawa meron tayong element which is the arsenic. Symbol is AS and atomic number is 33. So, pag ginawa natin yung kanyang electron configuration, again, start sa 1s, 2, 2s, 2, 2p, 6. Okay, ano sunod ng 2p, 6? 3s. Okay. 3s, 2, and then 3p, 6. Okay. After ng 3p, 6i, 4s, 2. Okay, bilangin muna natin. Nakakailan na tayo? 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 2, 20. Okay? After ng 4s2 ay 3d10 na. Okay? So, we have 3d10. Okay? After ng 3d10 ay 4p. Okay? So, we have 4p. Okay. Ilan na yan? Bilangin muna natin. 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20, 30. Ilan lang kulang natin? Okay, 3. Okay. So, all in all, we have 33 electrons. Now, sabi dito, look for the value of the electron found in the highest energy level. So, nasa naman dyan yung energy level? When you say energy level, ito yung mga yun, no? Ito yung mga energy level. Diba? They are represented by numbers. Okay? Ito namang mga letters, they are sub-levels. So, which one is the highest energy level? Anong pinakamataas na energy level meron tayo sa electron configuration na to? We have 4, right? So, we have 4 here and another 4 here. Okay, so 4 and 4, dalawa ang ating energy level or dalawang highest energy level natin. So, what we're gonna do is to add the electron found in the highest energy level. So, 2 plus 3 is 5. So, the valence electron of arsenic is 5. So, again, there are two ways to get the valence electron of an element. First is for you to look for the last consecutive S and P sublevel, kagaya ng example natin sa number 1. And add the value of S and P. Remember, dapat consecutive sila. Okay? And then, you'll have the valence electron. Now, paano pag walang last S and P? Kagaya ng example natin sa number 2. Okay? So, pag ganyan, look for the value of the electron found in the highest energy level. So, hahanapin mo ngayon kung ano yung pinaka-highest energy level pag nagawa mo na yung electron configuration ng element na yan. So, in our case, this example, in number 2, the highest energy level is 4. Dalawa sila. Okay? So, dahil dalawa sila, okay, at sila yung highest na energy level, we will add the value of 4 energy level kung ilang electron ang nandun. So, sa una, we have 2. And sa pangalawa naman, we have 3. So, inad natin yung dalawa, 2 plus 3, you'll have 5 valence electron. Okay, so let's have another example. And we will fill the different information needed in here. So, we have the element oxygen. O is the symbol and 8 is the atomic number. So, gagawin muna natin yung kanyang electron configuration. Again, we will always start with 1s2. Okay, 2s2 and 2p. Ilan na lang ang kulang para maging 8? 4 na lang. Okay, now, so, i-apply natin yung kaninang rules na sinabi natin. Okay, una, tignan muna natin yung last niyang sublevel. Meron bang magkasunod na S and P? Ay, meron ba? So, yung dulo kasi niya ay nagkataon na S and P. Okay? So, dahil merong magkasunod na S and P, anong gagawin kapag consecutive silang dalawa? So, just add the value of S and P. Okay? So, pag nakuha mo na, 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, so the valence electron of oxygen is 6. Pwede pa rin naman natin i-apply yung second way to get the valence electron. Okay, so yung pangalawa is to look for the highest energy level. So, ano ba ang pinakamataas na energy level sa mga yan? Di ba 2? Okay, so 2, ang value ng 2 natin na energy level dito ay 2 electron. And ito rin, ang value naman ng 2 energy level na to ay 4. So, ganun din, 2 plus 4 is 6. So, ang valence electron natin ay 6. Now, for the family or the group number, okay, family or group number, paano ba kinukuha yung group number niyan? Okay? Actually, valence electron and family or group number is equal, okay, to each other. Ibig sabihin nun, kung ano ang valence electron mo, yun din ang kanyang family and group number. So, ito ay 6, okay, 6A. Or, kung sa periodic table, ganito yung sulat, naka-Roman numeral, 6A. So, i-check nga natin sa ating periodic table. Oxygen, okay, anong group siya? Ayan o, 6A. So, yan yung group ng oxygen. Again kung ano ang valence electron ng isang element, yun din ang kanyang family and group number. Now, main energy level or MEL, ano ba ang pinaka-highest na energy level na meron tayo dito? We have 2, right? So, 2 ang kanyang main energy level. Period number, okay? Ano naman ang period number niya? Okay? Main energy level or principal energy level and period number is also equal to each other. So, kung ano ang main energy level mo, yun din ang iyong period number. So, oxygen belongs to period 2. So, i-check natin kung tama sa periodic table. Ang oxygen, nandito siya, di ba? So, ang period pa horizontal, okay, pa ganyan. So, ayan siya, kasama siya sa period 2. Oxygen belongs to period 2. Okay? Okay, so let's have another example. For this example, we have the element gallium or Ga. Atomic number is 31. Okay, so una, let's do the electron configuration. So again, we will start with 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and then after ng 3s2 is 3p6, and then 4s2. Ay, count muna tayo, baka lumampas na. So, 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20. Okay? So, after 4s2 is 3d, okay, 10. So, meron tayong 30. Okay, 30 electrons na tayo. Okay, 31 yan. So, that means, ilan na lang ang kulang? Isa na lang. Okay, so after 3D, 10 is 4. Okay, 4P. Ilan na lang? 1. Okay, so all in all, we have 31 electrons. Okay na. Tapos na natin ang kanyang electron configuration. Now, apply natin yung pagkuha ng valence electron. Okay, una is, meron ba dyang sa dulo ba? Okay, tignan nyo yung dulo. Ang dulo ba ay S and P na magkasunod? So, hindi, di ba? Kasi D and P yan. Okay, so hindi pwede yung unang way. Second way is, hanapin which one is the highest energy level. Okay, ano yung pinaka-highest energy level na meron dyan? Ano yung pinaka-highest energy level? So, ang pinaka-highest ay C4. Okay, so ito at saka ito. Yan yung pinaka-highest energy level, di ba? Anong electron ang laman nilang dalawa? So, yung una, we have 2 and we have 1. Okay? So, 2 plus 1 is 3. Now, the valence electron is 3. 3 ang kanyang valence electron. Group number, okay? Again, sabi ko kanina, valence electron is equal to the group number. So, ibig sabihin, ang group number nito ay 3. 3A. It belongs to group A. Mamaya i-check natin. Now, main energy level or MEL, anong pinaka-highest energy level dyan? Anong pinakamataas na bilugan na natin? We have 4. Okay, so 4 ang pinaka-highest na energy level. Okay, again, main energy level and period number is equal to each other. So that means ang kanyang period number also is 4. Now, i-check natin sa periodic table kung tama ba yung mga sinagot natin. So, gallium belongs to, okay, gallium belongs to group 3A. Okay, so tama. Ang group niya ay 3A. Anong period ni gallium? Tingnan natin. Period 4. Ayan o, si gallium ay nasa period 4. Okay, so ang period niya ay 4. Okay, so madali lang, di ba? Valence electron is equal to the group number and main energy level is equal to the period number. Ito po, itong sinasabi ko sa inyo ngayon na palatandaan is applicable only for elements belongs to group A or sa family A. Okay, so dito lang siya pwede. Tsaka ito kasi ito yung family, yung A family, di ba? Pero dito sa B, yung nasa gitna, kailangan mong gawin to, itong electron configuration niya, para makuha mo yung kanyang valence electron.